How am I going to reach all these parents?
Mr. Okello, you look like you haven't slept. What's wrong?
Sarah, the parents' meeting is on Sunday. I need to inform over 200 parents. I've been calling one by one for the past 2 hours. I've only reached 20.
That's not going to work. You'll be on the phone all weekend.
Exactly. And some parents are abroad. I have no way to reach them easily. I'm stuck.
Mr. Okello, have you heard of Yoola SMS?
Yoola SMS? What is that?
It's a bulk SMS platform. You can send messages to all parents at once, whether they're in Uganda or abroad. No more calling one by one.
All 200 parents at once? How?
Exactly. You just type the meeting notice once, upload your parent contact list, and send. Everyone receives it instantly.
And payment? How does that work for a school?
That's the simplest part. You top up using MTN Mobile Money or Airtel Money. No credit cards, no dollars, just local payments.
And the cost?
Very affordable. At just 35 Ugandan shillings per message locally, sending to all 200 parents costs only 7,000 Ugandan shillings. That's less than what you'd spend on airtime calling everyone.
That's actually reasonable. What about parents in Kenya or the UK?
Yoola SMS works everywhere: Uganda, Kenya, UK, USA, any country. The system calculates the cost automatically. You see exactly what you're spending.
Okay, let me try this. Name, school email, phone number, done.
See? Less than 60 seconds.
Wait, I get 3 free messages to test?
Yes, you can try it before you top up. No risk.